Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to add people separately on Slack channel. So first of all, open up your Slack application. As you can see, I've already opened up my Slack application. Go to the desired channel that you want to add people separately. For example, I'm gonna just add people on this channel. For example, all you have to do is hover your mouse pointer right here. Just click on this. Here you will find multiple options such as members. You can find members by typing their name simply. Here you can see I'm just typing there and the members are popping up, or if you have that member's email address you can write that as well. See, their name will pop up by typing their email address as well, and this is how you can add people separately on a specific Slack channel. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment section. Hit that like button and subscribe. Till then, take care. Thank you.